Are you looking for something that will make you think of autumn or Halloween, and you just want to sit in the bathtub, relax, and soak? Well, I have the solution for you. Here are the recipes for 3 different autumn pumpkin pie bath salts. Keep watching and I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today we're going to be doing a Halloween or autumn DIY. It's that time of year and I wanted to get out a couple of videos so you can make your own Halloween or autumn products. So let's get started, shall we? So we are going to be making pumpkin pie bath salts. And I'm actually going to make 3 different types. I'll be making just plain pumpkin pie. I'll be making pumpkin pie with vanilla, so it'd be like pumpkin pie and whipped cream. And then if you like your pumpkin pie a little bit extra spicy, we're going to be doing pumpkin pie and clove. And we have Edgar here. He's going to just watch. He doesn't help really well, but sometimes he likes to over-supervise. So the first thing we're going to need is 1/2 cup Himalayan pink salt, 3/4 cup Dead Sea salt, and that's fitting for this project, 3/4 cups Epsom salt. So for the first scent, we'll be using 10 to 15 drops of the pumpkin pie scent. So we've got our Himalayan pink salt. We'll go ahead and dump that in the bowl. Dead Sea salt is going to be 3/4 cup and 3/4 cup of Epsom salt. Then you want to go ahead and break up all the clumps and mix it so it's thoroughly combined. We'll go ahead and take our pumpkin pie scent, and I'm going to go ahead and do 15 drops. And then go ahead and mix that up. And it does really smell like pumpkin pie. So go ahead and take a 4-ounce jar and put it in. Very simple, quick and easy. Really only about 5 minutes. And then you want to put one of the silica gel pads in there to help absorb the moisture. And there you have it. It actually made 2.5 4-ounce jars. And we'll go ahead and start our pumpkin pie with whipped cream scent. Alright, so I didn't want to make you watch the same thing again. So the base is going to always be the same. It's always going to be 1/2 cup of the Himalayan salt, 3/4 cups of the Dead Sea salt, and 3/4 cups of the Epsom salt. The only thing that's going to change is the scent. So we'll go ahead and do the pumpkin with the whipped cream. So I'm going to go ahead and take 10 drops of the pumpkin pie. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use 10 drops of vanilla essential oil. It smells like vanilla extract. And I just poured out. I think I did about 10. Do a couple more. I don't want too much, but I don't want too little either. And then we'll go ahead and stir that up. Oh, that really smells good. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put it in our containers. And then put our silica gel pack in there and the lid. All right, there we have it. This one also made 2 4-ounce jars and a little over half of one. Again, I didn't want to make you watch while I went ahead and measured out the salts, but I did want to point out that this is very healthy, beneficial to you. The Himalayan bath salts and the Dead Sea salts are all natural, so you'll see little chunks of like pebbly type things in there. That's just the salt in its natural form. All right, so for the last one, we're going to go ahead and do spicy pumpkin pie. We'll go ahead and do the 15 pumpkin pie scent. And then clove is pretty strong, so I'm only going to do 5 of the clove. And then we'll go ahead and mix that up. I'm going to go ahead and add another 5 to make that 20 of the pumpkin pie. All right, now it's a little bit spicier than the other ones, but not overbearing. So you can add as much as you want to that. If you like it spicier, you can add a few more drops. That's totally up to your preference as to how spicy smelling that you would like. Yeah, that's much better. So I actually ended up doing 20 of the pumpkin pie and 10 of the clove. So we'll go ahead and put those in the jars. And I got a 12-ounce jar, so hopefully most of it will fit in here. And a silica gel pad. All right, so this one made, they're saying it's a 12-ounce jar. I'm not thinking it's quite that big. And then a 4-ounce jar. All right, so there you have it. Same base of salt, 3 different autumn flavors, all with the main scent of pumpkin pie. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Happy Halloween, and I'll see you next time.